Hi everyone, welcome to the House Mouse Collaboration 2021. A group of us are using our collections of house mouse stamps that we just love, these adorable little mice. Now granted, some of us don't like real mice, me included, but we do like these cute little house mouse stamps. Anyway, this month, and every month we have a theme, and this month it's red, white, and blue. So I have just one card for you today. Also, just a reminder, this this whole year of collab videos that we're putting up is in honor of Gracie 21, who passed away last year. And she was a fellow crafter who happened to love house mouse, and at one point ran a house mouse collab as well. So we're doing this in her honor. And I'm happy to do that because she was a sweet, really sweet person. Okay, anyway, my house mouse stamp that I used was this one here with the sparklers, and it was called Sparkler Art because he made a heart, or it's Amanda. She made a heart with one of them. I used to do that kind of stuff as a kid. That was fun. I used a sentiment out of the December 2019 Paper Pumpkin Kit, Something for Everything. It has this great stamp set, which you're not going to be able to see, but the only thing I used was Let's Celebrate down here on the bottom. I still have apparently quite a few cards and things left in here. I didn't use this. I used the Stampin' Up! Diorama dies. I used the 3 largest ones. And layering diorama dies. They are item code 155565 if you are interested. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. And we have some great specials going on in June. And then I also just used these star dies out of the Give It a Whirl, I think this is called. I haven't used it for its intended purpose yet, but I keep using it for other stuff. It is called, yes, Give It a Whirl dies, item code 154336. There is a stamp set that kind of goes with it, but it's not bundled, and that one's called Stellar Birthday. It's a cute one. So yeah, but I like this. It has clouds. There's more dies in behind here. Clouds, stars, and it's meant to, you know, spin. So one of these days I'll get to that. All right, let me show you my house mouse card and move these out of the way. Here we go. Red, white, and blue. So my card base is Knight of Navy. This is a piece of white. I have Whisper White still, so that's what I'm using. This is on Whisper White, and then the 2 larger layers I've done in Knight of Navy and Real Red. This is Real Red ribbon from the Pampered Pets suite in last year's catalog, but it carried over and it's bundled with this black and white twine. It's called the Playful Pets Combo Pack 152466 in the current annual catalog. And I thought the red with the white dots on it would be appropriate. The stars, I die cut with those stars I showed you out of Mango Melody, which what I used on these sparklers is Knight of Navy Light, I think. I can't remember. Real Red Dark, even though it's looking kind of pinky. And Mango Melody, which is a retired Stampin' Blend. You could use Daffodil Delight or something like that, but I have these still, so I used the Mango Melody because I'm upset that they retired that. I used Crumb Cake Dark for the ground and a little bit of light. Gray Granite Light and Dark for Amanda. And Petal Pink Light and Dark for its nose, ear, inside of its ears, hands, tail. And I think that's about it. And inside here's the Paper Pumpkin sentiment that just says Let's Celebrate. and a little sliver of real red. This is 5 by 3 3/4, so this is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8, I guess it is. Yeah, so that is my card. I hope you like it. I think it's cute. I think I need to just take, I'll do that off camera, but I need to take and extend that dirt out just a little bit. That's kind of bugging me right there. Anyway, other than that, yeah, that's my card for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please go check out all the other participants in the collab and see what adorable things they have made. Sometimes it's cards and sometimes it's not with other people. Mostly it's cards with me, but sometimes I throw in a new thing here and there. But anyway, yeah, that is it for me for right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great Tuesday. Happy June, and I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.